I know people try to use law of attraction to manifest better health, better relationships. I know people even try to get better jobs. Why should I just start with law of attraction and try to manifest wealth? Isn't that too materialistic? Is that even possible? Should I even do that? If these are the questions that keep you confused, you're at the right place, because in this video I'm going to talk to you about why I feel that you should start using law of attraction with money and wealth being your first area of manifestation. Hello and namaste, I'm Manish Ahuja, founder of Paycheck to Profit, India's first online community and YouTube channel dedicated towards your money mindset, helping you get rid of your money blocks, helping you get some understanding about law of attraction and how do you attract more wealth, and once you've attracted enough wealth, how do you start growing that wealth by investing in the right places. So if that's something that interests you, please not forget to hit the subscribe button, because I keep making 10 videos a month and it becomes very overwhelming in a busy life to keep up with every video. So just subscribe, hit the bell icon, and let YouTube remind you about these videos. I'll tell you why I feel you should start with money as your first area of manifestation when you start believing in law of attraction. But even before I start, let me clarify one thing. Let me give you a disclaimer. This is my opinion. This is my humble opinion, and I'll give you all my reasons why I think money is the most practical way of starting the whole understanding of law of attraction. So please don't think that I'm saying it's wrong if you want to try and manifest better health with law of attraction, or you want to get a better job, or you want to improve the quality of your relationship, or maybe even find a soulmate. That's perfectly your calling. But I'll tell you why I think wealth makes most logical sense in today's times. That's because money is tangible. You know how much money you have in your bank account today. You know how much money would you actually need or want to fulfill most of your desires, if not all. Also, at the same time, one very big aspect of law of attraction is having the clarity. If you don't have enough clarity, it becomes difficult to understand the whole concepts of law of attraction. And once it becomes difficult, and when you find it difficult to manifest what you're looking for, it becomes very irritating. So when you have clarity of, okay, this is the kind of house that I'm living in, this is the kind of the house that I would want to go to, or this is the kind of hike in my salary that I would want, it becomes very easy, because you know what's your starting point and what's your finishing point and what's your end goal like. It's very difficult for somebody who's in a difficult relationship to talk about how exactly would they want to solve the problems of their relationship and how would they want law of attraction to help you. It becomes extremely difficult if I tell me exactly what kind of a soulmate you're looking for, or what kind of quality of life you're looking for. But if I tell you how much more money do you need, you at least know what could be one of your probable endpoints, right? So that's why I think it's the most logical way. Second, if you understand this whole concept correctly, and if you start using the manifestation techniques, there have been cases where manifestations are very, very, very quick. People start manifesting money in a couple of days or weeks. Please be sure I am not telling you that it will happen with you or it will not happen with you. It's an entire journey. So nobody knows how quick and how much wealth are you going to manifest in how much time. But there have been chances. See, what happens is, it's all about being in the right mind frame, in the right mindset, and around the right people. If you have these things synced, it becomes easier for you to manifest things that you're looking for. And because you have clarity of how much money you need, what kind of goals you're trying to fulfill, if you have the faith, if you're doing everything correctly, money manifestation is probably one of the easiest ways to get into law of attraction from my perspective. Okay. I don't know how to exactly say this. The point is right in front of me. So I've written something, but I'll try to rephrase it in a manner that will resonate with you stronger. It's easier to set goals. It's easier to look for changes that you have to do in your behavior and get motivated when you actually start seeing that the law is working for you. Let's say if you're trying to improve your health and if you are going through a chronic health issue, the result may be internal and it will take time to start manifesting in your surrounding. If your relationship is in a really difficult place, or if your relationship is in a very difficult place, the whole transition of improvement of your relationship can take time. If you're trying to look for a soulmate, you will never know when is the day when you're actually going to meet your soulmate, and that can be extremely demotivating. That's at least how I would feel if I could not find my results. And being patient is extremely important in this journey of law of attraction. So to build your faith, to build your understanding, and to get disciplined with the entire process of law of attraction, money at least becomes a easier target, because even if you're manifesting 5 rupees extra, 10 rupees extra through a cashback, or if you're getting a 100 rupee cashback, or if you're just getting an extra bonus, if you end up winning a small jackpot, if you end up winning a contest in your office, anything, any kind of wealth is tangible. You can see it. Let's say if your overall goal is 10 lakh rupees, but even a 10 rupee jump is a jump, right? You can actually calculate it, and every rupee jump motivates you even further. And I'll be very honest, the reason why I am telling you to focus on wealth as your first goal of manifestation when you start with law of attraction is because you've been watching this video for 6.5 months. You clearly resonate with this topic. You clearly need to manifest more money. Otherwise, why would you continue watching this video? And you also resonate with what I'm trying to say. Otherwise, you would have easily skipped this video about 5 minutes ago, maybe even 6 minutes ago. So think about this. If you resonate with this entire theory, if you resonate with this entire thought process, it will become easier for you to start manifesting, be disciplined, and actually start doing things which help you get more wealthy. Make sense? And once you start manifesting your wealth, once you start seeing the quality of your entire financial situation improving over a period of time, maybe let's say in 3 months, 6 months, a year, it becomes easier for you to by then start implementing the principles which work for you, which you resonate with in other aspects of your life. Once you've started improving the quality of your wealth, automatically it will start impacting other areas of your life, because you will also in the process of transformation become a better person. But at the same time, you will realize, now that I have done enough with my wealth, now let me start focusing on my relationship. Now let me start focusing on some other aspect of my life. And let's be honest, in today's times, your money anyway has a very tangible impact on every other aspect of your life. So I'm not saying be materialistic, I'm just saying be practical. And there's nothing wrong in wanting more money, right? So that's the reason why I genuinely feel that people should start the whole practice of law of attraction and keep a small jump in their financial space as their first benchmark to get into the whole process, because it makes the entire journey very, very, very tangible, easy to track, and progress which is easy to measure. I hope this has resonated with you. If you feel that this could help somebody else who you know, who's probably facing a challenge with their financials in these times, please do not forget to share this video with them, because your one share will take you not more than a minute, but it could actually end up impacting somebody's life tremendously. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll now see you in the next video. Until then, please keep smiling, take care of your loved ones, and stay happy. Kaching!